We're here on Money Matters Nashville with Wes Wood of Wood Financial Group. And you know, Wes, these days there's a lot of talk about long-term care policies, and with it comes confusion about what is best for each person. So how do we determine if we should get a long-term care policy considering it is so expensive?
Well, this is a good conversation to have, whether it's with you, with your advisor, your community, or do your research. Because the thing is with long-term care, specifically what we're referring to is the need for care later on in life, whether that's at-home care or nursing home care. And unfortunately, the cost is very expensive, even in today's dollars, and in the future it's going to be that much more. Because if it's $100,000 a year now, in the future, 20, 30 years down the road, it could be $300,000, $400,000. So you need to determine some type of provision, whether it's policies or other ways to protect from this expense, that there's a 50-50 chance that it's going to happen.
Yeah, so should I choose to self-insure, and really what does that entail?
Yeah, so self-insuring is an option for a lot of people. If you have a lot of money, a lot of wealth, you probably don't need to spend money on a premium to buy a policy. So self-insurance can be a great way to take care of that expense.
And I think I know the answer to this, but should I talk to a financial professional?
Well, being a financial professional, I'm going to say always, but you need to talk to one that understands how to work with folks in retirement, because there's lots of options when it comes down to that. You don't want to be sold a policy just for the sake of sold a policy. Maybe you can self-insure, maybe you don't need the insurance. You need to evaluate your options to protect from this huge cost down the road.
Great, and I hear you have a special offer for our viewers who visit moneymattersnashville.com.
We do. I wrote this book along with my business partner Rachel Biggerstaff. It goes over the 7 red flags that can derail your retirement, put you in harm's way. Get this free copy, and we educate people exactly on this topic we discussed today.
Great, good to see you again as always, Wes. Thanks for being here for today's Money Matters.